In this activity, you'll be completing a career interest survey. But first, you're going to start off by watching a PowerPoint that has you look at your hobbies and interests and strengths, and to start thinking about how that relates to work that you may enjoy. So you'll be doing a couple little warm-up activities to get you started before you get to the interest survey. Then once you get to the interest survey, you're going to see the screen, and as you can see, it says that there's a link to let you get to the interest survey, and that you'll be completing it online. You'll be checking the items in each box that best describe you, and remember, there are no right or wrong answers. It's all about you. You're going to see many different boxes, and sometimes there will be words that are the same. For example, math. So if you're someone who likes math, you might want to check that in every single box where it appears. And also, if you see something that you don't really understand, for example, the word agriculture, or self-reflect, or those types of things, go ahead and ask someone, because it might be something that describes you or something that you enjoy, but you're just not aware of the correct term, and you don't want to miss out on checking off something that applies to you. And also, you may have taken this survey before, but as you experience more things, right? As you go from 9th to 10th to 11th to 12th grade, you take more school subjects, right? So, for example, you may not have taken chemistry in 9th grade, but you did take it in 11th grade, and then you realize it's something that you enjoy, so it's something that you'd want to mark off. And also, as you experience more things, right, you may be a part of different clubs or activities, and so your hobbies will have increased. So anyways, go ahead and just mark off anything that applies to you. Again, no right or wrong answers. And then at the end of each section, you will add up the total. So as you can see with this one, there were 5 different items marked in this section, right? So then once you're done, it will basically do the work for you. It'll total up everything, and then you will see the 3 different career clusters that apply to you. So for example, it might be business management, or agriculture, or mathematics, or whatever it may be. And then there will be, once you finish this PowerPoint, 6 items to choose from to show what you've learned. And a couple of those things are to explore those career clusters a little bit more deeply, to look at what types of jobs you might want to look at, because the best thing to do is to work at something that you enjoy, right? If you're somebody who likes to be outdoors, you're not necessarily going to look for an office management type of a job where you're sitting down at an office all day inside, right? Why would you want to do that? You want to do something that relates to what you're interested in. So, and that's the point of this whole activity. So again, you'll start off by watching the PowerPoint, doing a couple of warm-up activities, completing this interest survey, and then also completing one of the activities to show what you've learned. Okay, and please, if you have any questions, ask, because it's something to help you with getting a job, whether it's now, in the future, because you will be working for many, many years of your life, and you're going to want to do something that's enjoyable. Have fun!